Welcome to Babonga's channel. If you have old, dry and brittle polymer clay, don't throw it. Make some beads instead. Here is some hopeless polymer clay. With the help of a cheese grinder, we can break it into flakes. Here we have various reds, pinks and purples. It's important to mix colors that don't clash. A spoonful of liquid polymer clay and lots of patience will help soften and integrate all the dry polymer clay flakes into one workable mix. It would be a pity to throw so much polymer clay away. It's so much better to store and use to make some beads. The clay is not going to be as good as new, but it's good enough. Because the beads I'm going to make are going to be of the simplest kind. That is chunky large beads with wide holes, ideal for chunky necklaces. And here is how I do it. I form a little ball and then I use a needle, piercing from both sides and rolling like this. Then I proceed with a toothpick to widen the hole. And after this, I'm going to use a larger object like this skewer and repeating the process. So I have a bead with a large hole. After finishing with the beads, I arrange them for baking. I'm going to bake these for about 3/4 of an hour. And this is how they came out. And here is a different mix of old brittle clay that came out like this. So, instead of throwing your clay, just use some cord and various elements to create beautiful necklaces.